Welcome to Machining Tech Tips. Today we'll talk about how to successfully incorporate threads into your CAD design. As a designer, your goal is to provide us with a CAD file that has recognizable threaded features built into the 3D model. Getting the design right is easy if you follow these steps. When adding threaded features to your model, it's important to build them to the minor diameter of the thread. In this example, we're using the hole wizard in SOLIDWORKS. We chose a number 43 drill to create a 440 thread with a 0.089 inch diameter. Designing to the minor diameter allows both our quoting and CAM package software to automatically identify the respective threads. If you build it to the major, you'll end up with too large a hole and your hardware won't fit properly. So it's simple. You provide the minor diameter and the kind of thread you want, we take care of the rest. Your accurate design can be manufactured by our teams quickly and efficiently. For more tech tips, please contact our design team.